Hey guys, here's a short video to give you some instruction on how to access the project-based learning lessons that the district has posted on their website. The first thing that I need you to do is to open your browser, and in the section where you find your URLs, please type Spring ISD. Press your Enter key, and you'll see that the district's website is the first site that appears. Click on the link to open the district site. Scroll down a little bit and you will see Empowered Learning at Home. Click this link and you will see a page that has all of the grade level lessons. Select your grade level and click the link. I'm going to select 4th grade. This takes me to yet another page that gives me everything that I need to complete my lessons and submit them successfully. I have the link to the materials for the lesson. I have the assignments that are due and the dates they're due. And I have tutorials on how to work with Schoology and submit my assignments. I'm going to select the link to this project-based lesson. And notice that it opens up 34 pages. This includes everything that I need to be successful in completing these activities. I have instructions, I have my reading log, and I have a rubric and pages that I need to complete and submit for my assignments. Please work with navigating the district's website and make sure that you are able to access this information, because the next project-based lesson will follow this same protocol, and we want to make sure that you are able to quickly and easily access the information that your students need so that they can achieve success with these lessons. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Take care.